I'm often asked, what type of content do you create? Well, I believe that to thrive and outshine in this fast-paced world, you definitely need to focus on your holistic development and not just on one aspect. I mean, you should be able to manage your funds smartly and at the same time be emotionally intelligent to enhance and nurture your relationships. Also, you should have amazing communication skills so that you can develop personally and professionally. You should be a smart time manager and all of it. Well, I was listening to Naval Ravikant, the author of best-selling book, The Almanac of Naval Ravikant, and he mentioned there that specializations is for insects. I'm not denying the fact that you should not work on carving your own niche or becoming really amazing at one skill. But my point of view is, do not ignore the other aspects of your life. Always keep a watch of whatever is happening around you. Focus not only on developing your intelligence quotient, which is the IQ, but also work on developing your adversity quotient, that is AQ, emotional quotient, that is EQ, spiritual quotient, that is SQ. We humans are the blessed species who have the freedom to think, analyze and evolve. So let's leverage this to the fullest. Well, by now you all must have got a fair idea about what kind of content you can find. Well, as the name itself says, the channel truly focuses on all the aspects of your life. Soft skills like communication skills, public speaking, how to boost your confidence, then campus to corporate transition, money management, law of attraction, alignment of your energy, spoken English, how to become more emotional intelligent, how to improve your adversity quotient, train your brain, something related to neuroscience, inspirational stories, and so on and so forth. Well, if you are really interested in knowing and exploring your new version, which is truly an enriched one in all these aspects, then all you need to do is join hands with me just by clicking the subscribe button below, and I will see you in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.